dog right there? That one right there. Hey, brother, baby.
Hey, somebody's trying to pickpocket me.
Do you want to go to bed? I'm so sure about this. You ready to run away? Here, you want to run away?
The little ones are so cute.
Do you like how they dance for your food? Dance, Scoop! Dance! See, they distracted the ghost. You can still pet them, but now they won't jump on you.
Go ahead.
You can still pet them, because now they won't jump on you so bad.
Oh, look at this thing.
Alice!
He's like, what are you throwing at me? Alright, you're the muffin girl.
Oh my god, look at that chicken. Look at the chicken.
It's Maya!
It's like Riley.
Oh my gosh!
Can you touch the chicken?
I don't know if you can catch it. You can try.
Okay.
As long as you're not chasing them.
There you go. I'm glad we got the bucket.